everyone, welcome back to Rozzy Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my jollof rice with peas and carrots. These are the things we are going to use. I'm going to use this pea and carrots, onions, seedless pepper, fresh pepper, bell pepper, groundnut oil, paste tomatoes, and this salts, and this chicken and nut. I'm going to use nut cube, thyme, nutmeg, curry, and bay leaf, and turkey, rice. So this 3 cups of rice. I'm using turkey. You can use chicken, you can use beef, so it does not matter. Whatever you have, you can use it. So these are all things we are going to use, guys. So let's get started.
Everglass, pour it up. Waterfall, liquor in my cup, like yeah. Raise a toast, here's to you. Celebrate the shit you put me through, like yeah. So tell me everything in your head. I won't be angry if you're needing space. I'll orbit, won't be a stranger. I'm leaving, got reasons. If you don't need me here, call Houston, it's your problem. I'm done with your atmosphere, like I'm drinking to forget you, wish I never met you. Star-crossed lovers, now I'm crossing out my exes. You used to be someone special, now everything's so judgmental. Tell me everything in your head. I won't be angry if you're needing space. I'll orbit, won't be a stranger. I'm leaving, got reasons. If you don't need me here, call Houston, it's your problem. I'm done with your atmosphere, like
just wanted to be cook a little before I can add the rice to it. I've already washed the rice and filtered it here, so we are getting there, guys. Yeah, the sauce is ready, so I'm going to add the rice to it. Just mix it together. I'm going to add a little water to it. I don't want the water to be too much. Yeah, okay. Let me add spice to it. At this point, I don't want to have the pea to eat right now, and the carrots, the slicing carrots and the pea. So I'll just have to wait, let it boil out first before I can add. About 5 minutes more before I can add it to it. So at this point, we have had everything that we want to add. So I'll just have to wait about 5 minutes before I can add the pea to it, the slicing pea with carrots. So just help me wait. Okay, well, yeah, I think it's high time we add the peas to it. Let me just add the peas to it. What I'm seeing. Yeah, it's coming out. Wow, guys. At this time I have to just wait like about 6 minutes to 8 minutes. So yeah, let's see. Oh, all right, it's ready. At this time it is ready to dish out and serve it. Our jollof rice is ready, party. Jollof rice is ready. Wow. Yummy too. This time I have to open it and turn the stove off. It is ready. It is ready. careful. Hey people, our jollof rice is ready. Jollof rice with peas and carrots is ready. Guys, I hope you enjoy the process of making this food. Like and subscribe for more videos. And if there's any question you want to ask, please do so. Write a comment and I will get back to you. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.